forward to having a good day around the park?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
But at the moment we are off to get some tickets for the splash boat. So it'll be fun. And we just bought some plushies from the shops. So now we are off to get some tokens for the splash boat.
Two on the splash boat, please.
Yeah, that's £2 altogether then, please. There's your 2 tokens and your receipt. Cheers guys, thank
Cheers,
you.
buddy, thank you.
Yay! Oops.
Oh, he was nice. Let's go get on the splash boat.
Yeah, these will go after you.
We've finished our drinks and now we're making our way back to go on the splash boat.
So now we have got our tickets. Hopefully it's not too much of a big one, but we hope that we can go on it fast because we hope they ain't a queue.
It's been on. It's been on. Do you want to take your bag off and go?
Everywhere it's fun.
Another toe after this as well, Tony. Another toe after this.
Here we go.
It's all going to be wet, mate. Put up.
There you go. There you go, girls. Want to be sit on there, look.
Put up.
Please. Can we sit on the back there?
Yeah, the 4. Oh, I thought it was a customer then. I'm going to say it. Nobody set me up.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Good afternoon. Welcome aboard East Park Splash Boat. Do you know why we call it a splash boat, anyone?
Splashes and it's a
And what happens when you get splashed?
wet.
You're going to get soaked. That's the word. Not wet. You're going to get soaked. That's the word. You're going to get soaked. Listen. There's 4 golden rules. My name's Molly, this is Ian, this is Tony, right?
Hold on tight.
Listen, hold on tight, right? There's 4 golden rules. Hold on tight to the rails at all time. Remain seated at all times. The adult, if we get down to the bottom and she's listing over to that side a little bit, just like the Titanic, there's no icebergs, right? I might just shout, can you come to the left a little bit? That'll be to the left or to the right, okay? Don't want to spook the children, just not yet, right? That's in case we have to abandon ship. That's not happened for a while, okay? We've remembered the all at the front of the ship.
I'm scared.
Right? So listen, so remain seated, hold on to the rails, keep your arms inside, your legs inside, and there's no smoking at the back. No drinking at the front and there's no eating in the middle, okay? And listen, as we go down, can you give a big loud scream? Because at the bottom there's some fish that's having babies. And when they hear the boat coming down, they all go, ah! The boat's coming again. What are we gonna do? Do you know what one of them says? Get hold of Stephen the snake. There's a big water snake down there. So watch out for Stephen the snake. Right? Because he might just jump in the boat as well. Because the fish, the flying fish, you know, and the fish fly out the water and they all look down and they go 1, 2, 3, take a bit of that, and they all drop the babies on top of you all. So if you can catch a fish in your mouth, right, we'll give you £5 and buy you an ice cream. Are you ready to go? Let me hear you say yeah! Come on, man. Come on.
I'm scared.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, you put the rope on, sorry.
Yeah, ropes on.
I'm
You'll concentrate on your job.
scared.
Oh, don't be scared, not as much as me.
I don't like it when we go back. Did you get one even cold? I sort of wish I'm not. I didn't get wet. I've got t-shirts in my bag. Why are my t-shirts so dry? You're welcome. Because I didn't get wet. T-shirts.
Andy really wanted. Anybody catch a fish?
No!
Did anybody catch Stephen the snake?
No!
Anybody catch Stephen the snake?
You did? No!
Anybody see Stephen the snake? Yeah! You alright? Listen, now what you've got to be careful of when you're coming back up here, you see this big tree? There's some giant spiders growing in there.
Yay!
I aren't kidding you this time, and the real spiders. Does anybody want another go? Let me say yeah!
Yeah!
Da 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 da. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Name a name, I call my mine.
Bye-bye.
You're taking on water. Abandoned ship.
Abandoned ship! Oh no! Oh no!
What was that?
And then, it was fun and then. Yeah, that was fun. Imagine if we all fell out of it. All Bert tipped over. Amelia. Hi! Oh, come on! You're not busy.
What's the matter with you all? What's up?
Spider!
Where?
Hi, Mr. Spider. I like the yeah.
Thank you, and you. Cheers. Come on then. I know, we're soaked. Yeah, it got soaked, but it was good.
I didn't.
Much. So,
I almost peed my pants.
we're going to get Noah an ice cream, and then we're going to see the animals.